Hello, friends and dear students. Today we will learn about lucky bamboo. Its name is Dracaena sanderiana. It's very popular plant and it has low maintenance indoor plant. Actually, it is a part of lily family, not true bamboo. It originates from African rainforest. It brings good fortune. It is ideal for home and office. It needs the indirect sunlight. It may be grow in water or in soil also. We should use the filtered water as they are sensitive to chlorine. If it is in soil, it moist but not the soil should be moist but not waterlogged. If we will talk about the temperature, it should be between 18 to 34 degrees Celsius. If we talk about the Fahrenheit, it should be 65 to 90 Fahrenheit. And the best part is this is very useful for the Indian home, and India the temperature is suitable according to this plant. If we will talk about the direction, it should be placed in southeast corner for wealth and east for health. So basic the helpful is for natural air purifier, and as we in our Indian family we just feel it the plant like a lucky, so it is perfect gift for luck and prosperity for anyone to whom we are thinking to give. So it is very greenery and lash when we'll see, and it gives us the positivity. Thank you for this.